There's many animals you can hunt during the fall, and waterfowl hunting is one that sticks out the most to me. Waterfowl hunting requires proper decoy placement, good calling, and in the end, it's usually rewarding for everyone. I believe waterfowling is the best way to hunt during the fall. Decoying. When you waterfowl hunt, it's usually ducks or geese and requires good decoy placement. The ducks usually start with duck season during early season, and then you work your way towards geese as the season moves on. Early season ducks usually don't need a lot of decoys. Then you get to the middle of the season where ducks have been pressured hunting, and you move on to late season where ducks are hard to decoy because everyone's been hunting them. And to have the right amount of decoys will usually determine if your hunt is successful or a failure. The same techniques go with geese. Early season geese are not the smartest, usually decoyed about anything you have, and doesn't matter if you have 20 decoys out or 10. But as you move into late season honkers in January, you usually have to run around 300 to 400 decoys often to have a good hunt. Decoy type also depends on what kind of decoys you're using. With today's technologies, decoys have become realistic, and then there's the old-fashioned ones that people used way back when. But since geese have been getting smarter, decoys are getting better, and a lot of decoys that are on the market. Calling usually depends on the type of weather you're in and the time of the year. Early season, it's usually some light calling, some quacks and stuff just to get ducks in and honks to get geese in. But as season moves on, the weather gets harder, and then the snow and rain and cold, you usually have to blow calls harder to get ducks' attention. And sometimes you don't want to call at all because the ducks just want to be quiet and work their way in. Calling usually helps if you have good technique too. Proper calls that you're going to use are different quacks and feeding chuckles. So you have to use those at the right time and different places that you're hunting. Cornfields, you usually use a lot of feeding calls and talking back quacks and forth to get the ducks to decoy. Rewarding. Duck hunt or waterfowl hunting is also very rewarding. Everyone always makes that really far shot. You always have that one group of ducks that decoy just right, and it's always a memory that people keep with them. The memories that you make waterfowl hunting are some that you'll always pass down to the next generation. Waterfowl hunting requires a lot of work, and once you've done it right, you can have some of the best time of your life, and that's why I believe waterfowling is the best way to hunt in the fall.